Measured in straight lines from one of the centermost points of the United States of America, there are about 1,252 kilometers to the northern shore of the Gulf of Mexico, and to the northern shore of the Caribbean Sea, 2,109 kilometers. 2,126 kilometers to the eastern shore of the northern Atlantic Ocean, 2,994 kilometers to the western shore of the North Pacific Ocean, 4,165 kilometers to the southwest shore of the Labrador Sea, 4,215 kilometers to the southern shore of the Caribbean Sea, 4,853 kilometers to the Bering Sea, 6,596 kilometers to the North Sea, 6,799 kilometers to the Celtic Sea, 7,095 kilometers to the eastern coast of the North Atlantic, 7,294 kilometers to the Bay of Biscay, 7,455 kilometers to the Baltic Sea, 7,596 kilometers to the Norwegian Sea, 7,871 kilometers to the Mediterranean Sea, 8,122 kilometers to the Adriatic Sea, 9,055 kilometers to the Black Sea, 9,252 kilometers to the Aegean Sea, 10,470 kilometers to the Caspian Sea, 11,388 kilometers to the East China Sea, 12,633 kilometers to the South China Sea, 13,036 kilometers to the Philippine Sea, 13,200 kilometers to the Sulu Sea, 13,547 kilometers to the eastern coast of the Bay of Bengal, 14,240 kilometers to one of the southernmost shores of the South Pacific.